Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBD tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to set up this HB tutorial smart DID application or page. So this one I created using ChatGPT that completing the product. So this one will help on our PC dial or any asterisk server that to assign the correct caller ID for Salit, especially for local area and uh their what is called this overlay. So when you log in on the portal, yeah, it's look like this one. So the Smart DID connects using the API. So you need to install, but yeah, need to install in or configure every asterisk servers. Okay, just show you. But now we will install using. So this will be the fault of regarding on the overlay. Okay, so okay, so for now, I'm gonna show you on how to install. So we need to prepare our VM. So we will use this one. Okay, and then go to the image, or you can go here reinstall. Okay, so after that install, you need Alma Linux 9, your password. Okay, and no application, OS only. Okay, so okay, okay, so we need to wait 5 minutes. Okay, so then I will go here first. Gonna get this one. We will use as a domain. Okay, and then we'll generate some password or okay, generate again. Okay, so we will use this one while we waiting. So we will use this one as domain later. And then this is will be our file. So I need to download this one. Also this one for the setup. Okay. So So we have the two files here. Okay, so this is the installation. Okay, gonna okay, why okay, show you. Okay, let's see our VPS. I'm using Termuse for okay. Okay. I'm fixing the putty. So I password created. Okay. So clear. So from here you need to upload. So we can use the WinSCP. Okay. So new site. But okay, we can save again. Okay, update. Okay, so we have here. Then go to look for the downloads. Okay. Erase that. I think this one. Yeah, let me rename. Because I have here already. So I can upload. Okay. Okay. Already there. Then check here. Is there. Then check our installation. Okay. So you can copy this one. So we need to install first. This one. So, okay. Okay. Okay, I adjust a little bit. Okay, next. So we can, yeah, let me rerun this. Okay, so we don't know. And then, so we can clear this one. And then we can go back here. I think for this one, we can move over before we run the application. Okay, and then I can copy again this one. Go back here, paste all. Okay, as you can see, we can clear this one. Okay, so we have here. Okay, and then next. So we have that. So we can able to run this again for verification on our PH. Oh no, 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 we need to after that. Yeah, okay. So we need to run this one first. Okay, okay. Installing. So waiting. Okay, so I'll be waiting. Okay, okay. Okay. So gonna clear this one, then go back. I think we can run again all this. Copy, paste. Okay, that one important. Clear. Okay, next will be we done this one. Let's see. So we don't need that one. Okay. This- So we will install now. Okay. Paste. Okay. PHP. Okay. So this one. this should be the URL. So you cannot access the portal if you don't have a URL or domain. So you need to have a domain. So on our Contabo, we go to the DNS and then reverse so you can get your Contabo domain. Okay. So just here. Okay. HTTP, HTTP, HTTPS. Okay, you can copy here and then go back. So this will be your domain now. Enter. Okay, so time zone. So it's okay. And database name, if you want to change, you can change. But now I will use the default. Okay, database username. And then the password. I can use this one for the password. Okay. Okay, they said only letters number. Okay, let's try again. Database. He said only letters number N. So what issue here? Okay, the percent is not allowed. Asterisk is not allowed. Okay, we can put at. So we have letters number N. Okay. Okay, so the root MariaDB, so you can enter blank. Super admin email, so this at Gmail, no. You can use hbt tutorial at gmail.com. Okay, so smart DID administrator. So legal business name, if you want like me HBT smart DID. Okay. And then product name. So like smart CLI. Okay. Okay, support if you want to change. Okay. So as you can see, and then this one is the login password. Login password. Okay, so as you can see, okay, yeah, okay. So no smart demon. Okay, so now after the announce point, we can run this one. Certbot Apache is not. Okay, so let's check now in our tutorial. So Ubuntu Debian verify. First login. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we are here. This one is okay. Configure. Also, we did not. We did to we need to install is for Arma Linux. Okay, copy all this one. Okay, converse here. Okay, he said here unable to match. We don't have start bot yet page. Okay, okay. Okay, I just run this one. So I'm gonna add over here. So from here, we need to update the installations. I think so. So this one for the Python. Okay, and clear. And now we can proceed with this one. Okay. So I'm gonna put our okay. 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 Yes. No. Need to wait till generating the SSL. And now check. Okay. Okay. So which we I forgot my Just the login. I forgot the users. Oh, or HBT EID, email.com. I forgot. Ah, wait, let me. Okay, guys, so the username we have is HB tutorial. HB tutorial.com. Password. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully installed. So this is the look like our dashboard. So system health. So you can see here all the applications, database connection. Okay, settings, and can manage the server. So okay, so next video I will show you on how to use it and how to install in your widget dialer server. Okay, so hope you are enjoy our video and to don't forget to subscribe and share our video so that some person they know. Okay, so this is like this one that I created. Okay, so this one I already post to my desktop is different thing. What is this thing? So 4.10, this one is version 4.5. So this one we have three campaigns I just tested last week. So it's great. Yeah. So because they able to gather the what does mean the overlay. Okay. So because in our DID, if you upload DID like so, you can click this one and it will generate all the overlay of your DIDs. So once the call, there's no much area code, but it's a failover DID that you have or the overlay area code you have, but the lead is using the 208, automatically it will use the overlay DID that you have. Okay, so that's the use of this portal. Okay, to match the caller ID to the area. Okay, so this is how did you set up. Okay, so okay guys, so I think our video is will be and for today. I will show you the next video how to upload the DIDs or set up the campaign, upload the IDs, and then assign to our dialer. Okay, so thank you guys, and we'll be right back soon. Bye bye.